It's not. Alright, we're gonna run inside. I'll put it. Here's the mom. Put it on the floor. Here's the mom. He was terrified by the bird. Okay. You got the bird.
I have to take them home at like 3:30.
Okay.
I have to go to here first at 4. I have to go out on
No, I thought it was 4 o'clock. No, don't let him. Just put him on the floor.
Under there?
No. Well, whatever. Just move everything so he doesn't get hurt. Hold on. Alright. Hey, look at the time. My dad. Oh, never mind. Just go. He's not gonna hurt you.
I know that. That's not what I'm seeing. He's all cozy.
Just let him crawl in.
He's all cozy.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna leave it in here. So, you're gonna have to hang around here because it's already 10 past 3, Marguerite.
Is it? I see blinking. Alright. Hey. Hey, Bernie. We'll get him out of the hat so it doesn't like suffocate him. Or just move the hat a little more up. I think he likes it.
I tried holding your bird pet.
And you want to try that again?
No.
Easy! Oh, he's so cute. No, don't. No, because he's going to run into the wall again.
I'm not gonna let him.
Jeff, no, just leave him alone.
How can you
Jeff,
touch the
Jeff,
bird like
Just
that?
leave him alone. Just put him on the floor. You don't want to, because they're fragile.
Go like fly away and like.
Whoa, whoa, wait, just leave him. Let the mom attack you.
Let the mom attack.
He's so adorable. He's like, what the hell is this?
I know.
Oh
my God.
Grandma, mom.
There's one bird up there. That stupid dumb birdie came down.
It's
supposed
it
to
did?
stay in the nest.
It is up there.
There's
Oh.
There's two of
Yeah,
them.
I see.
Babies?
I see the,
Yeah.
I see the beak.
Oh! You want me to bring it up there?
Yeah.
Pass me the hat.
Oh, I'll get you a chair.
Right. Oh, yeah. Quickly. Oh, I didn't know that. I'll put it up there. Imagine it falls down again.
Yeah, I know. And then
Hey, how
goes
do
to the wall.
Quickly, just get the chair. Get a chair.
Don't get that one.
Get a chair. Get a chair. Climb up. Bring it. You'll pass me the hat. No. You don't have the guts to pass me the hat.
Yeah, I do.
No, you won't.
This is a chair.
Hey. Watch me get
Uh-oh.
No, she's not. Alright. Oh, it's gonna get hurt.
It got hurt like 3 times. Like
It
right
ran
into the wall. Oh, fail.
Come on.
I'm scared of going its way because it might like go hit me. Okay, close
I'm
up.
scared.
I know if it
I'm
was.
not scared, I'm just creeped out. You got him?
Oh, kind of.
Alright. If you have to, climb over here. I'll just like, climb up here and then I just won't let you fall.
No.
I'm not gonna be like,
I'm scared.
Just reach your
Give me
arms
something
up.
high. Fine.
You'll probably jump.
Yeah.
no, cause it's
Give me
gonna.
something higher. Yeah, I don't want to.
Just let it jump down.
Wait.
Here, do you think you could hold it? Hold the hat like this.
Hold on.
Hold it like this.
I can get the
Okay,
tracks
no.
through.
No, I'll drop it too.
I'm gonna get you this. You can stand on this.
Yeah, alright, you're funny. You're funny. Watch that thing roll and I fall
I'll
off.
hold it.
I like squish the baby thingy. I like fall on it.
Said that.
Get on there.
Pass me it. I could have just turned on this to make it safe and easy. Here, you get on it.
You know what's coming.
Why, scared?
Jeffrey.
Oh, you close the door and up on the door too to make it not look like I'm the one like not listening to her. Go.
Yeah, she ran to the.
It keeps on running into the wall. It's gonna get hurt.
Get on it then. Get on the chair. To make it look like I'm not just
I don't want to do this. I want to get attacked.
Here, I'll hold it for you. Go ahead.
Yeah, let us take it.
No, I'm not. Oh my. What is that? Oh my god.
It hurt.
I got you.
It like ran into the wall again, basically.
Alright.
Oh my god, I like how Jeff is holding it. Like, the hell can you do that?
Watch him bite me.
Just hold it, Jeff. If you need do you need a hand to get up there?
His claws are sharp.
I got you.
Hold this thing. Hold it like this. Make sure you don't break it. I mean, not break it. Hurt it.
He's like, oh. You see another one? Here.
It's looking at me.
I try before it attacks you.
Don't drop it.
The friendly things we do to the animals is help them get
Just
back
lay
to
it
its
down
nest.
nicely, though.
Oh,
Oh my god! Now that one's down.
It's okay! It's alright.
Maybe it
Now
can't
he's
fit.
facing south.
It probably can't.
Oh!
we should have just left it.
Oh my
We
god.
should have listened to your mom.
Oh my god.
He hit the bird. No, no. Down, 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 down! Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Woo! Mommy Birdie, come here!
Oh my god. We did the baddest thing. I thought we were helping them. Get them.
No!
You hear all the birds chirping? Like help! Help! Oh my god! Oh, I thought it was coming towards me.
Marguerite, I need you to hold this. I'll go get him.
Oh my god.
Be calm.
Don't make him run into the street, Jeff.
You have your brother in here.
Really?
I need him to look at his brother.
They probably weren't us together. They hate each other. You know. Don't ask me to hold it, cause I'm gonna drop it in the first 2 seconds.
I wish I had gloves. Someone has gloves.
Better wash your hands before you eat something or touch your face or anything. What?
Don't go to the street, Jeff!
Oh, it got hurt.
I'm gonna bring you back.
Be nice to pet it. Just pet it, Jeff, pet it. Now the other one came down!
Leave them be.
We don't get running off my phone.
I don't want to
Be nice to it.